with the effects of drought.
Na chinga kichumunya kirobwa bagavana anu Waiguru nigo chinga kichenera ya bune serikali nebegetemero bilisene asoko neki buna chikaunti nkonyara chire chigo konyeka ukona kurwa isiko yenyomba yobora state house mu Nairobi anu Waiguru sensemeli ya bagavana nigate bambagendrete kwerobya boikirano eli konyara ko neki buna nkobeka baremero bilisene eliyo konyara gotango gonjerera kwelire rubono sege ntoge koirera endagera kubura chinsem chinga kichi Waiguru niganya kagote ya bune serikali wechira sensemete ndreteni bogose treasury nkonya bari kubwatoka kibesa subwango ko che serikali che county egentokera abakonya konyara kurwania mangana arengetogonchire kurire rubonate baro kwirera ogokea no kuboro kwendagira chi county rana baniga bore serikali ya ye umurai wense omusike William Samuel Ruto ko neki bunna nkubwatira bara sobo kori bwankigima ne serikali che county asokurwani mono ogonchiria kurire.
We are gathered here to officially flag off relief food distribution to vulnerable households that are suffering as a result of the biting drought across the affected counties. Allow me to thank the national government, through your leadership, Your Excellency, for this initiative, which will go a long way in complementing efforts by county governments and other partners in ensuring that our people can access food, water, and other basic services. It is worth noting that with the drought situation in the country, counties continue to face challenges in mobilizing local resources to adequately respond to the drought situation. This is occasioned by the delays in release of equitable share of revenue by the National Treasury to counties. We further would like to request the national government through NDMA to fast-track the process of actualizing the Drought Emergency Fund, as well as immediately release the equitable share of revenue due to counties to scale up the humanitarian assistance to the household experiencing severe droughts. As I conclude, Your Excellency, I would like to give a commitment on behalf of the Council of Governors. The governors have committed to put resources and increase their emergency resources and also add their budgetary allocations to ensure that we are safeguarding the lives of